Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas basket centerpiece decoration ideas I will share you. So viewers, let's start today video. Viewers, rustic Christmas baskets. We use our wicker basket filled with pins, branches, red berries, pinecone, and fairy lights. Add a red ribbon for a festive touch. Golden glam basket, filamentals or golden paint basket with golden ornaments, glitter leaves, and candles for a luxury look. Snow winter basket, use white flower, forest greenery, and a silver bubbles and fake snow for a winter wonderland feel. Gift basket centerpiece, arrange small gift box, ornaments and bow inside a basket lined with tinsels. Flower Christmas basket, combine red rose, white lilies, and green pink stems. Add a golden ribbon for a touch of grace. Candlelight basket, place one or two candles in the center around by greenery, berries, and ornaments. Red and green classic basket, fill a traditional basket with bright red ornaments, pincones, branches, and velvet ribbons. Nature woodland basket, fuse pincones, moss branches, and wooden star, perfect for rustic farmhouse decoration. And viewers, cozy quaint basket, wrap the basket in a quaint sleeve or sweater fabric filled with mini ornaments, candle, effects, silver elegance basket, use a silver or white basket filled with metals, ornaments, pearl and forest pins, branches. Candy canes basket, add candy canes, peppermints, red ornaments, and white ribbon for a playful look. Lantern basket, friends, place a small lantern in the center of a basket filled with pins, ornaments, light it for a cozy glow. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. So friends,